Imagine a world where damaged tissues could be repaired and diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's could be halted. This is the promise of stem cell therapy, harnessing the body's own regenerative power to treat a myriad of ailments and ignite hope for the future. The allure of stem cell therapy stems from its potential to address some of the most challenging medical conditions that have long plagued humanity. Unlike traditional treatments that often focus on managing symptoms, stem cell therapy offers the tantalizing possibility of addressing the root cause of diseases by replacing damaged or diseased cells with healthy ones. This paradigm shift in medical thinking has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach healthcare, ushering in an era of regenerative medicine where the body's own healing mechanisms are harnessed to restore health and vitality. The scope of stem cell therapy's potential applications is vast, encompassing a wide spectrum of diseases and injuries that have traditionally been difficult or impossible to treat. From neurodegenerative disorders like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's, to autoimmune diseases like multiple sclerosis and type 1 diabetes, stem cell therapy holds the promise of providing new and effective treatment options. The potential to regenerate damaged heart tissue after a heart attack, repair spinal cord injuries, and even grow new organs for transplantation are just a few examples of the transformative possibilities that stem cell therapy offers. However, alongside the immense promise, there are also challenges and limitations that need to be addressed. Stem cell therapy is still a relatively young field, and much research is still needed to fully understand the complex mechanisms by which stem cells function and to develop safe and effective treatments. To truly appreciate the revolutionary potential of stem cell therapy, it is essential to understand the fundamental biology of stem cells. Stem cells are unique and powerful cells that possess two remarkable properties that set them apart from all other cells in the body: self-renewal and differentiation. Self-renewal refers to the ability of stem cells to divide and create more stem cells, ensuring a continuous supply of these valuable cells throughout life. Differentiation, on the other hand, is the process by which stem cells can develop into specialized cells with specific functions, such as muscle cells, nerve cells, or blood cells. This remarkable ability to both self-renew and differentiate is what gives stem cells their extraordinary therapeutic potential. By harnessing these properties, scientists hope to direct stem cells to develop into specific cell types that can be used to repair damaged tissues, replace diseased cells, or even grow new organs. The journey of a stem cell from its undifferentiated state to a specialized cell is a complex and tightly regulated process, orchestrated by a delicate interplay of genetic and environmental cues. Understanding the molecular mechanisms that govern stem cell fate is crucial for developing safe and effective stem cell therapies. The field of stem cell therapy is advancing at an unprecedented pace, driven by groundbreaking discoveries, technological advancements, and a growing understanding of the intricate world of stem cells. This rapid progress is ushering in a new era of medical innovation, with the potential to transform the treatment landscape for a wide range of diseases and injuries. One of the most exciting areas of stem cell research is the development of induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, a revolutionary technology that allows scientists to reprogram adult cells, such as skin cells, into stem cells that have the potential to develop into any cell type in the body. This groundbreaking discovery has opened up unprecedented possibilities for personalized medicine, as it allows for the creation of patient-specific stem cells that could be used to develop tailored treatments with reduced risk of rejection. Another area of intense research focuses on understanding the complex microenvironment, or niche, in which stem cells reside within the body. This niche provides essential signals that regulate stem cell behavior, including their self-renewal and differentiation. By deciphering the intricate crosstalk between stem cells and their niche, scientists hope to develop strategies to enhance the therapeutic potential of stem cells. The development of novel biomaterials and three-dimensional printing technologies is also playing a crucial role in advancing stem cell therapy. These technologies are enabling the creation of sophisticated scaffolds that mimic the natural environment of tissues and organs, providing a supportive framework for stem cell growth and differentiation. By combining stem cells with these bioengineered scaffolds, Scientists hope to create functional tissues and organs that can be used for transplantation. Despite the tremendous progress made in stem cell research, many questions remain unanswered, and the field continues to be an area of active investigation and discovery. Scientists are still unraveling the complex mechanisms that govern stem cell behavior, exploring the full potential of different types of stem cells, and developing new strategies to enhance their therapeutic efficacy. One of the key challenges in stem cell therapy is ensuring the safety and efficacy of treatments. While stem cells hold immense promise, they also have the potential to cause unintended consequences such as uncontrolled cell growth or the formation of unwanted cell types. Rigorous preclinical and clinical studies are essential to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of stem cell therapies before they can be widely adopted in clinical practice. Another challenge is the development of scalable and cost-effective methods for producing and delivering stem cell therapies. Many current stem cell therapies are complex and expensive to produce, limiting their accessibility to a wider patient population. Researchers are actively exploring innovative manufacturing techniques and delivery systems to make stem cell therapies more widely available and affordable. Ethical considerations also play a significant role in shaping the field of stem cell therapy. The use of embryonic stem cells in particular has been the subject of intense ethical debate, as it involves the destruction of human embryos. Researchers are actively seeking alternative sources of stem cells, such as adult stem cells and iPSCs, to address these ethical concerns. Stem cell therapy stands at the forefront of a medical revolution, holding the potential to transform the way we approach healthcare and address some of the most challenging diseases and injuries facing humanity. The ability to harness the body's own regenerative power to repair damaged tissues, replace diseased cells, and even grow new organs offers unprecedented hope for patients and their families. As our understanding of stem cells continues to grow and technological advancements continue to emerge, the therapeutic potential of stem cell therapy is only beginning to be realized. The journey of stem cell research has been marked by both remarkable discoveries and formidable challenges, but the unwavering dedication of scientists, clinicians, and patients alike fuels the pursuit of this transformative field. In the coming years, we can expect to witness even more groundbreaking advances in stem cell therapy, leading to new and effective treatments for a wider range of diseases and injuries. The future of medicine is being rewritten, and stem cell therapy is poised to play a leading role in this exciting new chapter. This essay has provided an overview of the fascinating world of stem cell therapy, exploring its scientific foundations, medical applications, ethical considerations, and future prospects. As we delve deeper into this captivating field in the subsequent sections, we will gain a more comprehensive understanding of the transformative power of stem cells and their potential to revolutionize medicine and improve human health. To grasp stem cell therapy's promise, we must journey into the microscopic world where cells, the building blocks of life, shape our existence. Stem cells, the body's raw materials, can transform into many cell types, making them key to regeneration and repair. Join us as we explore how these remarkable cells could revolutionize medicine. The story of stem cells begins at the very dawn of life, during the earliest stages of embryonic development. From a single fertilized egg, a remarkable transformation unfolds, guided by an intricate interplay of genetic instructions and environmental cues. As the embryo divides and multiplies, its cells specialize, giving rise to the diverse array of tissues and organs that make up a complex organism. At the heart of this developmental symphony lie the embryonic stem cells, the progenitors of all other cells in the body. These remarkable cells, present in the inner cell mass of the blastocyst, which is a hollow sphere of cells that forms just a few days after fertilization, possess the extraordinary ability to differentiate into any cell type in the human body. Imagine a single embryonic stem cell, poised at the crossroads of cellular fate, capable of giving rise to a beating heart muscle cell, a neuron transmitting electrical impulses in the brain, or a pancreatic cell secreting insulin. This remarkable plasticity, known as pluripotency, distinguishes embryonic stem cells from all other cell types and forms the foundation of their therapeutic potential. As the embryo develops, embryonic stem cells gradually commit to specific lineages, their fate becoming more restricted with each cell division. This intricate dance of differentiation, orchestrated by a complex interplay of genes and signaling molecules, transforms the once uniform population of embryonic stem cells into the specialized cells that form the tissues and organs of the developing fetus. One of the most remarkable properties of stem cells, setting them apart from their more differentiated counterparts, is their ability to self-renew. Unlike specialized cells, which have a limited lifespan and gradually lose their ability to divide, stem cells possess the remarkable ability to replicate themselves indefinitely, ensuring a constant supply of these valuable cells throughout life. Imagine a stem cell as a master artist, capable of creating not only masterpieces of cellular specialization, but also perfect replicas of itself. This self-renewal process, tightly regulated by a complex network of genes and signaling pathways, is essential for maintaining the stem cell pool and ensuring the body's ability to repair and regenerate tissues throughout life. The secrets of stem cell self-renewal lie hidden within their DNA, where specific genes act as gatekeepers, controlling the delicate balance between self-renewal and differentiation. These genes, often referred to as stemness genes, encode proteins that regulate cell division, maintain chromosomal integrity, and prevent premature differentiation. Understanding the intricate mechanisms that govern stem cell self-renewal is crucial for harnessing their therapeutic potential. By manipulating these pathways, scientists hope to enhance the self-renewal capacity of stem cells, enabling the production of large numbers of these valuable cells for therapeutic applications. Furthermore, deciphering the secrets of self-renewal could provide valuable insights into the aging process and the development of age-related diseases. While self-renewal ensures a constant supply of stem cells, it is their ability to differentiate that truly sets them apart as potential therapeutic agents. Differentiation is the remarkable process by which stem cells shed their blank slate identity and commit to specific lineages, developing into the specialized cells that form the tissues and organs of the body. Imagine a stem cell as a chameleon, capable of changing its appearance and function to blend seamlessly into its surrounding environment. This cellular metamorphosis is orchestrated by a complex interplay of intrinsic factors, encoded within the cell's DNA, and extrinsic signals, received from the surrounding microenvironment. Extrinsic signals in the form of growth factors, hormones, and cell-to-cell interactions act as molecular cues, guiding the stem cell along specific developmental pathways. These signals activate signaling cascades within the cell, ultimately leading to the activation or repression of specific genes, driving the cell towards its ultimate fate. The process of differentiation is a delicate dance, a carefully orchestrated ballet of gene expression, protein synthesis, and cellular remodeling. Understanding the intricate steps of this dance is crucial for directing stem cell differentiation in the laboratory, enabling the production of specific cell types for therapeutic applications. By mimicking the natural cues that guide stem cell fate, scientists hope to harness their regenerative potential to repair damaged tissues and treat a wide range of diseases. For decades, stem cell therapy was just a promise in research labs, tantalizing scientists with its potential. Now, that promise is becoming reality as stem cells move from the lab to the patient bedside, ushering in a new era for regenerative medicine. Early clinical trials paved the way for safer, more effective treatments, igniting hope for patients with previously untreatable diseases. The story of stem cell therapy is a testament to the spirit of scientific inquiry and the pursuit of better health. Stem cell therapy's journey from lab to clinic is a story of ingenuity and determination. In the 1950s, pioneering doctors developed bone marrow transplantation, offering hope to leukemia patients. Despite challenges like finding donors and graft versus host disease, their perseverance revolutionized treatment and inspired today's advances in stem cell therapy. Bone marrow transplantation harnesses the power of stem cells, offering hope and cures for patients with leukemia, lymphoma, and other blood cancers. Healthy stem cells from a donor replace damaged marrow, rebuilding the blood system and restoring health. Today, this life-saving procedure stands as a beacon of hope, showing the remarkable potential of stem cell therapy. The success of bone marrow transplantation sparked hope and inspired researchers to explore stem cell therapies beyond blood disorders. Now, stem cells are being studied for heart disease, spinal cord injuries, diabetes, and more, offering new hope for conditions once thought incurable. The future of regenerative medicine is bright, with stem cell therapies expanding rapidly and changing lives. Stem cell research has revolutionized medicine, from Dr. E. Donald Thomas's first bone marrow transplant in the 1950s to the discovery of embryonic stem cells and the creation of induced pluripotent stem cells by Shinya Yamanaka, each milestone unlocking new possibilities for treating disease and advancing personalized medicine. Induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, revolutionized regenerative medicine, offering patient-specific stem cells for personalized treatments and disease modeling. These cells can become any cell type, helping treat conditions like heart failure or diabetes and bringing new hope to patients. The discovery of CRISPR-Cas9, a revolutionary gene editing tool, has ushered in a new era of genetic engineering, offering unprecedented precision in manipulating the building blocks of life. This game-changing technology, often likened to molecular scissors, allows scientists to target specific genes within cells, cutting and pasting DNA sequences with remarkable accuracy. In the realm of stem cell therapy, CRISPR-Cas9 holds immense promise for correcting genetic defects in stem cells, paving the way for the development of novel treatments for inherited diseases. Imagine being able to take stem cells from a patient with a genetic disorder, such as cystic fibrosis or muscular dystrophy, and use CRISPR-Cas9 to correct the faulty gene, essentially curing the disease at its source. CRISPR-Cas9 is also being explored as a tool for enhancing the therapeutic efficacy of stem cells. For instance, researchers are investigating the possibility of using CRISPR-Cas9 to knock out genes that inhibit stem cell survival or differentiation, thereby improving the cell's ability to engraft and regenerate damaged tissues. While CRISPR-Cas9 technology is still in its early stages of development, its potential applications in stem cell therapy are vast. As research progresses and the safety and efficacy of CRISPR-based therapies are further established, this groundbreaking technology has the potential to revolutionize the treatment of genetic diseases and enhance the regenerative capabilities of stem cells. In a remarkable feat of bioengineering, scientists have harnessed the self-organizing capabilities of stem cells to create miniature, three-dimensional organ-like structures called organoids. These tiny replicas, often no larger than a pinhead, recapitulate the complex architecture and cellular diversity of human organs, offering an unprecedented window into human development, disease modeling, and drug discovery. Imagine a petri dish containing miniature livers, kidneys, or even brains, each grown from stem cells and mimicking the structure and function of their full-sized counterparts. Organoids provide a powerful platform for studying human development in a dish, observing how cells interact to form complex tissues and organs, and unraveling the intricate processes that govern organogenesis. Organoids also offer a valuable tool for disease modeling, allowing scientists to study diseases in a more physiologically relevant context than traditional two-dimensional cell cultures. By growing organoids from stem cells derived from patients with specific diseases, researchers can study the cellular and molecular mechanisms underlying the disease and test potential drugs on human tissue without the need for animal models. The field of organoid research is rapidly evolving, with scientists developing new and more sophisticated organoid models for a wide range of organs, including the brain, heart, lungs, intestines, and kidneys. As the technology matures, organoids hold immense promise for accelerating drug discovery, personalizing medicine, and potentially even providing a source of replacement tissues for transplantation in the future. Personalized medicine, the tailoring of medical treatments to each patient's unique genetic makeup and environmental exposures, represents a paradigm shift in healthcare, moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach to a more precise and individualized model of care. Stem cell therapy, with its ability to generate patient-specific cells and tissues, stands at the forefront of this revolution, offering the potential to transform the treatment of a wide range of diseases and injuries. Imagine a future where a patient with heart failure, instead of relying on medication or a heart transplant, could receive an injection of heart muscle cells, grown from their own stem cells, to repair their damaged heart. Or a patient with diabetes could receive a transplant of insulin-producing beta cells, also derived from their own stem cells, to restore their body's ability to regulate blood sugar. The ability to generate patient-specific stem cells, whether through the isolation of adult stem cells or the reprogramming of adult cells into iPSCs, opens up unprecedented possibilities for personalized medicine. These cells, carrying the patient's unique genetic makeup, could be used to develop tailored treatments with a reduced risk of rejection, enhancing the safety and efficacy of stem cell therapies. Personalized stem cell therapies also hold the potential to revolutionize drug development and testing. By creating disease in a dish models using patient-derived stem cells, researchers can screen for drugs that are most effective for individuals with specific genetic mutations or disease subtypes, paving the way for more targeted and effective treatments. Stem cell therapy promises to revolutionize medicine, but moving from lab breakthroughs to real-world treatments is a complex journey. Scaling up stem cell production while maintaining quality and ensuring safety and efficacy are major hurdles. Strict regulatory standards and evolving guidelines add further complexity. Navigating these challenges demands robust manufacturing, rigorous testing, and adaptable regulations to balance patient safety with innovation. Stem cell therapies offer hope, but they come with risks, like tumor formation and immune rejection. Addressing these requires strict testing, standardized protocols, careful patient monitoring, and long-term follow-up to ensure safety and effectiveness. Delivering stem cells to the right place is as crucial as the cells themselves. Scientists are developing targeted delivery methods like direct injection, biomaterial scaffolds, and engineered cells that home to damaged tissues to maximize therapeutic impact. As demand for stem cell therapies grows, so does the need for scalable, reliable production. Innovations like 3D bioreactors and standardized protocols are key to producing high-quality cells efficiently and making therapies more accessible. The high cost of stem cell therapies limits access for many patients. Solutions include optimizing manufacturing, exploring new funding models, and public-private partnerships to make treatments more affordable and widely available. Stem cell therapy is advancing rapidly, but caution is essential. The field has learned from past mistakes, emphasizing evidence-based medicine, transparency, and patient education. Ongoing progress depends on rigorous science, open dialogue, and a commitment to patient safety. Stem cell research stands at the intersection of scientific promise and ethical complexity. Open dialogue among scientists, ethicists, and the public is vital to establish responsible guidelines that balance innovation with respect for human dignity. The discovery of human embryonic stem cells sparked both excitement and ethical debate. The core issue: when does life begin, and is it ethical to use embryos for research? Alternatives like adult and induced pluripotent stem cells offer promising, less controversial paths. Moving forward requires respectful dialogue and ethical oversight to balance progress with moral responsibility. Ethical concerns have driven the search for alternative stem cell sources, like adult stem cells, iPSCs, and cord blood. These options advance regenerative medicine while addressing the moral dilemmas of embryonic stem cell research. CRISPR-Cas9 enables precise gene editing, offering hope for curing genetic diseases at their source. Editing the human germline, however, raises profound ethical questions about unintended consequences and the future of humanity. Global consensus and strict oversight are essential to ensure this technology is used responsibly. The hype around stem cell therapy has fueled stem cell tourism, where patients seek unproven treatments abroad. Protecting patients requires public awareness, stronger regulations, and guidance from qualified healthcare professionals. The rapid pace of advancement in stem cell research and the proliferation of stem cell-based therapies have posed significant challenges for regulatory agencies worldwide, tasked with balancing the need to foster innovation with the imperative to protect patient safety. The evolving landscape of stem cell regulation reflects the dynamic nature of the field, with ongoing efforts to adapt existing frameworks and develop new regulatory approaches to keep pace with scientific progress and address the unique challenges posed by this emerging field. One of the key challenges lies in defining the regulatory status of stem cell-based products, which can range from minimally manipulated cells, such as those used in bone marrow transplantation, to more complex engineered tissues and organs. Different regulatory pathways may apply depending on the level of manipulation, the intended use, and the perceived risk profile of the product. Another challenge involves ensuring the quality and consistency of stem cell-based products. Standardized manufacturing protocols, rigorous quality control measures, and robust supply chains are crucial for ensuring that stem cell products meet the highest standards of safety and efficacy. Regulatory agencies play a vital role in establishing and enforcing these standards, protecting patients from the risks of contaminated or substandard products. The evolving landscape of stem cell regulation requires ongoing dialogue and collaboration among scientists, clinicians, regulatory agencies, patient advocacy groups, and industry stakeholders. Adaptive and responsive regulatory frameworks, informed by the latest scientific evidence and ethical considerations, are essential for fostering innovation, protecting patient safety, and ensuring that the transformative potential of stem cell therapy is realized responsibly and ethically. The ethical and regulatory landscape for stem cell research and therapy varies considerably across the globe, reflecting differing cultural values, religious beliefs, economic considerations, and levels of scientific infrastructure. These variations highlight the challenges of establishing a global consensus on the ethical boundaries of stem cell research and the need for international dialogue and collaboration to address these complex issues. Some countries, such as the United States and the United Kingdom, have relatively permissive regulations governing stem cell research, allowing for the use of both embryonic and adult stem cells, albeit with varying degrees of ethical oversight. Other countries, such as Germany and Italy, have more restrictive regulations, prohibiting or severely limiting research using human embryos. These variations in ethical and regulatory frameworks can create challenges for international collaborations, technology transfer, and patient access to stem cell therapies. For instance, a stem cell therapy developed in a country with permissive regulations may not be readily available in a country with more restrictive regulations, even if the therapy shows promise in treating serious diseases. Promoting international dialogue and collaboration on stem cell research ethics and regulation is crucial for fostering responsible innovation, ensuring patient safety, and addressing the global burden of disease. Sharing best practices, harmonizing regulatory approaches, and promoting ethical guidelines can help create a more level playing field for stem cell research and facilitate the development and equitable distribution of safe and effective stem cell therapies worldwide. Public perception of stem cell therapy is often shaped by a complex interplay of factors, including media portrayals, scientific advancements, ethical debates, and personal experiences. The media, often driven by the need to capture public attention, can play a powerful role in shaping the narrative on stem cell therapy, sometimes highlighting the promise of cures while downplaying the risks or oversimplifying complex scientific concepts. Sensationalized headlines, miracle cure stories, and the use of emotionally charged language can create unrealistic expectations among patients and their families, leading to disappointment, distrust, or even risky decisions, such as seeking unproven treatments from unregulated clinics. On the other hand, responsible media coverage can play a crucial role in educating the public about stem cell therapy, providing accurate and balanced information about the potential benefits, risks, and limitations of these treatments. Highlighting the stories of patients who have benefited from stem cell therapy while acknowledging the challenges and uncertainties that still lie ahead can foster realistic hope and informed decision-making. Scientists, clinicians, patient advocacy groups, and policymakers all have a role to play in shaping public perception of stem cell therapy. Communicating clearly and transparently about scientific progress, ethical considerations, and regulatory oversight can help build public trust, foster informed decision-making, and ensure that the transformative potential of stem cell therapy is realized responsibly and ethically. As the field of stem cell therapy continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, navigating the ethical complexities associated with this transformative technology will be crucial for ensuring that its potential benefits are realized responsibly and equitably. Finding common ground among diverse stakeholders including scientists, clinicians, ethicists, policymakers, patient advocacy groups, and the public will be essential for establishing ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks that foster innovation while safeguarding human dignity and well-being. One of the key challenges lies in balancing the pursuit of scientific progress with the protection of human life and dignity. The ethical dilemmas surrounding embryonic stem cell research, the potential for germline editing, and the risks of stem cell tourism underscore the need for ongoing dialogue and ethical reflection to guide the development and application of stem cell therapies. Ensuring equitable access to stem cell therapies is another pressing ethical concern. The high cost of developing, manufacturing, and administering these complex treatments raises concerns about affordability and the potential for exacerbating existing health disparities. Exploring innovative funding models, promoting public-private partnerships, and investing in research to optimize manufacturing processes and reduce costs will be crucial for making these transformative treatments accessible to all who need them. The future of stem cell therapy holds immense promise for alleviating human suffering and extending the frontiers of medicine. By embracing ethical considerations, fostering open and transparent dialogue, and working collaboratively to address the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, we can harness the transformative power of stem cells to create a healthier and more equitable future for all. The field of stem cell therapy stands at the cusp of a medical revolution, poised to transform the way we approach healthcare and address some of the most challenging diseases and injuries facing humanity. Like explorers charting uncharted waters, scientists and clinicians are venturing into uncharted territory, driven by the tantalizing promise of harnessing the body's regenerative potential to heal, repair, and regenerate. Imagine a future where damaged hearts can be mended with injections of heart muscle cells grown from a patient's own stem cells, where spinal cord injuries, once thought to result in permanent paralysis, can be reversed, and where organs ravaged by disease can be regenerated, eliminating the need for organ transplantation. These futuristic scenarios, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, are now within the realm of possibility, thanks to the remarkable advancements in stem cell research. The future of stem cell therapy is a tapestry woven from threads of scientific ingenuity, technological innovation, and ethical considerations. As we peer beyond the horizon, we envision a future where stem cells are not just a treatment option but a fundamental pillar of healthcare, offering personalized, regenerative solutions for a wide range of diseases and injuries. This section delves into the exciting possibilities and challenges that lie ahead, exploring the potential for stem cells to revolutionize medicine, enhance human potential, and shape the future of healthcare. Join us as we embark on a journey into the future of stem cell therapy, a future brimming with hope, innovation, and the promise of a healthier tomorrow. One of the most transformative aspects of stem cell therapy lies in its potential to usher in an era of precision medicine, where treatments are tailored to each patient's unique genetic makeup, environment, and lifestyle. Stem cells, with their remarkable ability to differentiate into various cell types, offer a powerful tool for developing personalized therapies that target diseases at the cellular level. Imagine a future where a patient with cancer, instead of undergoing grueling rounds of chemotherapy and radiation, could receive an injection of immune cells, engineered from their own stem cells, to specifically target and destroy cancer cells without harming healthy tissues. Or a patient with cystic fibrosis, a genetic disorder that affects the lungs and digestive system, could receive a transplant of healthy lung cells, also derived from their own stem cells, to repair their damaged airways. The ability to generate patient-specific stem cells, whether through the isolation of adult stem cells or the reprogramming of adult cells into induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, is a cornerstone of precision medicine. These cells, carrying the patient's unique genetic information, provide a powerful platform for developing tailored therapies, screening for drugs that are most effective for individuals with specific genetic mutations, and studying diseases in a dish using patient-derived cells that accurately reflect the disease process. As our understanding of the human genome deepens, and technologies for manipulating cells and genes continue to advance, stem cell-based precision medicine holds the promise of transforming healthcare, moving away from a one-size-fits-all approach to a more individualized and effective model of care. The ability to regenerate damaged or diseased organs has long captivated the human imagination, fueling countless science fiction stories and inspiring generations of scientists to push the boundaries of medical innovation. Today, thanks to the remarkable advancements in stem cell research and tissue engineering, the dream of organ regeneration is inching closer to reality. Imagine a future where patients with end-stage organ failure, instead of languishing on transplant waiting lists, could have their own organs regenerated, using their own stem cells as the building blocks. This futuristic scenario, while still fraught with challenges, is no longer beyond the realm of possibility. Scientists are exploring a variety of approaches to organ regeneration, from using stem cells to stimulate the body's natural repair mechanisms, to engineering complex organs in the laboratory using a combination of stem cells, biomaterials, and three-dimensional printing technologies. One promising avenue involves decellularizing donated organs, stripping them of their cellular components while preserving their intricate architecture, and then repopulating the decellularized scaffolds with a patient's own stem cells to create bioengineered organs that are less likely to be rejected by the immune system. While significant challenges remain, including replicating the complex cellular interactions and vascular networks within organs, the field of organ regeneration is rapidly advancing, offering hope for a future where organ failure is no longer a death sentence but a treatable condition. Stem cells are revolutionizing the quest for longevity, offering hope to extend not just lifespan, but health span. With their power to rejuvenate tissues and organs, stem cell therapies could slow aging, repair damage, and help us live longer, healthier lives. The future of healthy aging may be closer than we think. Section 5. The Ethical Imperative. Guiding Innovation with Responsibility. The rapid pace of advancement in stem cell therapy, while offering unprecedented hope for treating diseases and improving human health, also raises some pretty profound ethical questions that demand careful consideration. As scientists and clinicians push the boundaries of what is scientifically possible, it is imperative that ethical considerations guide every step of the journey, ensuring that innovation is pursued responsibly and for the benefit of all humankind. The ethical dilemmas surrounding embryonic stem cell research, the potential for germline editing, the risks of stem cell tourism, and the equitable distribution of potentially life-saving therapies really underscore the need for ongoing dialogue and ethical reflection. Establishing clear ethical guidelines and regulatory frameworks is crucial for navigating the complex moral landscape of stem cell therapy, balancing the pursuit of scientific progress with the protection of human dignity and well-being. Engaging the public in ethical discussions about stem cell therapy is paramount. Open and transparent communication about the potential benefits and risks, the scientific uncertainties, and the societal implications of stem cell research can help foster trust, dispel misinformation, and ensure that public policy decisions reflect a well-informed and ethically grounded approach. The ethical challenges posed by stem cell therapy are not insurmountable, but they do require a commitment to ongoing dialogue, ethical reflection, and a shared responsibility among scientists, clinicians, policymakers, patient advocacy groups, and the public. This is really essential to ensure that this transformative technology is used wisely and ethically for the betterment of humanity. Section 6. The power of collaboration. Uniting disciplines to advance stem cell therapy. Advancing the field of stem cell therapy and translating its transformative potential into tangible benefits for patients requires a collaborative spirit, bringing together the expertise and perspectives of researchers, clinicians, ethicists, engineers, policymakers, industry partners, and patient advocacy groups. The interdisciplinary nature of stem cell research demands a united front, breaking down traditional silos and fostering collaboration across disciplines to accelerate progress and overcome the complex challenges that lie ahead. Imagine a research laboratory where biologists, engineers, and computer scientists work side by side, developing innovative technologies for growing stem cells, engineering tissues and organs, and analyzing vast amounts of data to unravel the complexities of stem cell behavior. Or, just picture a clinical trial where physicians, nurses, ethicists, and patient advocates collaborate seamlessly to ensure the safe and ethical delivery of stem cell therapies. Collaboration extends beyond the walls of academia and healthcare institutions. Partnerships between researchers and industry are crucial for translating laboratory discoveries into commercially viable therapies, scaling up production to meet the growing demand, and navigating the complex regulatory landscape. Patient advocacy groups play a vital role in raising awareness, advocating for research funding, and ensuring that the patient perspective is heard. The power of collaboration lies in its ability to leverage diverse perspectives, share knowledge and resources, and accelerate progress towards common goals. By embracing a collaborative spirit, the stem cell therapy community can overcome challenges, maximize the transformative potential of stem cells, and make a lasting impact on human health. The promise of stem cell therapy to revolutionize medicine and improve human health really hinges on continued investment in research and development. Funding agencies, both public and private, play a crucial role in supporting the next generation of stem cell breakthroughs, providing the resources necessary to advance basic science, translate laboratory discoveries into clinical applications, and train the next generation of stem cell researchers and clinicians. Imagine a future where stem cell therapies are, readily available and affordable, where personalized treatments for cancer, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, and countless other conditions are a reality, and where the regenerative potential of stem cells is harnessed to improve the lives of millions worldwide. This future depends on sustained and strategic investment in stem cell research. Funding priorities should really encompass a broad spectrum of research areas, from basic science to translational research to clinical trials. Supporting young investigators, fostering interdisciplinary collaborations, and providing incentives for industry partnerships are all crucial for ensuring a robust and sustainable stem cell research ecosystem. Investing in stem cell research is, honestly, an investment in the future of healthcare. By providing the necessary resources and fostering a culture of innovation, we can unlock the transformative potential of stem cells and create a healthier and more hopeful future for generations to come. The future of stem cell therapy depends not only on scientific breakthroughs, but also on a skilled and knowledgeable workforce capable of translating those breakthroughs into tangible benefits for patients. Educating and training the next generation of stem cell researchers, clinicians, technicians, ethicists, and policymakers is crucial for ensuring that the field continues to advance responsibly and ethically. Imagine classrooms where students from diverse backgrounds, united by a passion for science and a desire to make a difference in the world, learn the intricacies of stem cell biology, the principles of tissue engineering, the ethical considerations surrounding stem cell research, and the regulatory landscape governing stem cell therapies. Educational programs should encompass a broad spectrum of disciplines, from basic science to clinical practice to ethical and regulatory considerations. Internships, fellowships, and continuing education opportunities are crucial for providing hands-on experience, fostering mentorship relationships, and keeping pace with the rapid advancements in the field. Investing in stem cell education and training is, without a doubt, an investment in the future of healthcare. By equipping the next generation with the knowledge, skills, and ethical compass to navigate the complexities of stem cell therapy, we can ensure that this transformative field reaches its full potential and improves the lives of countless individuals. Public understanding and support are essential for the continued progress and ethical development of stem cell therapy. Engaging the public in open and transparent dialogue about the science, the potential benefits and risks, the ethical considerations, and the societal implications of stem cell research is crucial for building trust, dispelling misinformation, and fostering informed decision-making. Imagine community forums where scientists, clinicians, ethicists, and patient advocates engage in meaningful conversations with the public, answering questions, addressing concerns, and sharing their perspectives on the promise and challenges of stem cell therapy. Or, envision interactive museum exhibits that bring the science of stem cells to life, captivating audiences of all ages and inspiring the next generation of scientists and healthcare professionals. Public engagement efforts should be tailored to different audiences, from school children to senior citizens, and should leverage a variety of platforms, including traditional media, social media, museums, libraries, and community events. The goal is to make stem cell science accessible and understandable, fostering a sense of wonder and excitement about the potential of this transformative field. Engaging the public is not just about disseminating information, it's about building relationships, fostering trust, and creating a shared understanding of the promise and challenges of stem cell therapy. By working together, scientists, clinicians, policymakers, and the public can ensure that stem cell research advances responsibly and ethically, with the goal of improving human health for all. As we stand at the dawn of a new era in medicine, the transformative potential of stem cell therapy shines brightly, illuminating a path toward a future where diseases once thought incurable may be conquered, where damaged tissues and organs can be regenerated, and where the human lifespan and health span are extended. The journey ahead will undoubtedly be marked by both exhilarating breakthroughs and formidable challenges, but the destination, a future shaped by the remarkable capabilities of stem cells, is one worth striving for. Imagine a world where children born with genetic disorders can be cured before they ever experience the debilitating effects of their disease, where individuals with spinal cord injuries can regain mobility and independence, and where age-related diseases such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's are no longer a foregone conclusion but treatable conditions. This is the future that stem cell therapy has the potential to create. The realization of this future will require continued investment in research, the development of robust regulatory frameworks, the fostering of ethical and transparent practices, and the engagement of the public in a meaningful and ongoing dialogue. It will demand collaboration across disciplines, innovation in technology, and a steadfast commitment to improving human health. The future of stem cell therapy is not merely a scientific endeavor, it is a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity, compassion, and the unwavering pursuit of a healthier and more hopeful tomorrow. By embracing the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead, we can harness the transformative power of stem cells to shape a future where disease is conquered, suffering is alleviated, and the human spirit soars. The human body, a marvel of intricate design and remarkable resilience, possesses an innate capacity for healing, a symphony of cellular processes that mend wounds, repair tissues, and maintain the delicate balance of life. Yet, this remarkable ability to regenerate is not without its limits. Severe injuries, chronic diseases, and the relentless march of time can overwhelm the body's natural repair mechanisms, leaving behind a trail of suffering, disability, and unfulfilled potential. Stem cell therapy, with its tantalizing promise of harnessing the body's regenerative power to heal and restore, has emerged as a beacon of hope for patients and their families, offering the potential to treat diseases once thought incurable and to repair injuries once thought irreparable. The allure of stem cells lies in their remarkable ability to transform into different cell types, offering a potential source of replacement cells to mend damaged hearts, regenerate severed spinal cords, and restore vision lost to macular degeneration. Yet, as we have explored throughout this essay, the journey from the laboratory bench to the patient bedside is fraught with challenges. Translating the remarkable potential observed in preclinical studies into safe and effective therapies for humans requires navigating complex scientific hurdles, addressing ethical dilemmas, and overcoming regulatory and financial barriers. While significant progress has been made, stem cell therapy is still a relatively young field, and many of its most ambitious goals remain unrealized. The road ahead will undoubtedly be marked by both exhilarating breakthroughs and sobering setbacks. Maintaining a balance between cautious optimism and realistic expectations is crucial as we navigate the evolving landscape of stem cell therapy.
Know you've been a good friend, and that's in the thick and thin. And I know it's
The field of stem cell therapy is awash in both hype and hope, fueled by media portrayals of miraculous cures and the understandable desire of patients and their families for effective treatments for debilitating diseases. While it is essential to embrace the transformative potential of stem cells, it is equally important to temper expectations with a healthy dose of realism, recognizing that stem cell therapy is not a panacea for all that ails us. Stem cell therapies are not a quick fix, nor are they without risks. The road to developing safe and effective treatments is long and arduous, requiring rigorous scientific scrutiny, careful clinical trials, and ongoing monitoring for potential long-term effects. Unrealistic expectations, fueled by misinformation or hype, can lead to disappointment, distrust, and even risky decisions, such as seeking unproven treatments from unregulated clinics. The responsible development and application of stem cell therapy require a commitment to transparency, open communication, and ongoing dialogue among scientists, clinicians, policymakers, patient advocacy groups, and the public. Educating patients and their families about the potential benefits and risks, the realistic timelines for treatment development, and the importance of seeking treatment only from reputable institutions is crucial for fostering informed decision-making and managing expectations. While the future of stem cell therapy is full of promise, it is not a future that will arrive overnight. Patience, perseverance, and a commitment to ethical and scientifically sound practices are essential for guiding this transformative field towards its full potential and ensuring that the benefits of stem cell therapy are realized safely and equitably. The ability to manipulate the very building blocks of life, to coax cells into becoming different cell types, to potentially regenerate organs, and to even envision enhancing human capabilities raises profound ethical questions that demand careful consideration. As stem cell therapy ventures further into uncharted territory, the ethical compass must guide every step of the journey, ensuring that scientific progress aligns with human values and societal well-being. The ethical dilemmas surrounding embryonic stem cell research, the potential for germline editing, the risks of stem cell tourism, and the equitable distribution of potentially life-saving therapies underscore the need for ongoing dialogue and ethical reflection. Balancing the pursuit of scientific knowledge with the protection of human dignity, ensuring equitable access to potentially life-saving therapies, and preventing the exploitation of vulnerable patients are just a few of the ethical challenges that must be addressed. Navigating the ethical landscape of stem cell therapy requires a collaborative approach, bringing together diverse voices and perspectives, including those of scientists, clinicians, ethicists, policymakers, patient advocacy groups, religious leaders, and the public. Open and transparent dialogue informed by diverse values and beliefs is crucial for establishing ethical guidelines, developing sound regulatory frameworks, and ensuring that stem cell therapy is used responsibly and for the benefit of all humankind. The ethical challenges posed by stem cell therapy are not insurmountable, but they demand our continued attention and a commitment to finding solutions that uphold human dignity, promote justice, and ensure that the transformative potential of stem cells is harnessed for good. The field of stem cell therapy is a testament to the power of human ingenuity, but it is also a stark reminder that the most complex challenges are best addressed through collaboration, not competition. Unleashing the full potential of stem cells to alleviate human suffering and improve global health requires a united front, breaking down traditional silos and fostering collaboration across disciplines, institutions, and national borders. Imagine a world where scientists from different countries, working together in shared laboratories, pool their knowledge and resources to accelerate the pace of discovery, where clinicians from diverse specialties collaborate seamlessly to provide the best possible care for patients, and where policymakers from different nations work together to harmonize regulations and ensure equitable access to life-saving therapies. Collaboration is not just a lofty ideal, it is a practical necessity for overcoming the complex challenges that lie ahead. Sharing data, expertise, and resources can accelerate the pace of research, reduce duplication of effort, and foster innovation. International collaborations can help to address health disparities, ensure equitable access to stem cell therapies, and prevent the exploitation of vulnerable populations. The stem cell revolution will not be won in isolation. It will be won through the combined efforts of scientists, clinicians, ethicists, policymakers, industry partners, patient advocacy groups, and the public, all working together towards a common goal: to harness the transformative power of stem cells to improve human health and alleviate suffering worldwide. The stem cell revolution is upon us, and with it comes a profound responsibility to ensure that this transformative technology is used wisely, ethically, and for the benefit of all humankind. The challenges are formidable, but so too are the opportunities. The future of stem cell therapy, and indeed the future of medicine itself, will be shaped by the choices we make today. We are called upon to be informed citizens, engaging in thoughtful dialogue about the ethical and societal implications of stem cell research. We are called upon to support responsible innovation, advocating for policies that foster scientific progress while upholding human dignity and protecting the vulnerable. We are called upon to embrace collaboration, recognizing that the most complex challenges require a united front and a shared commitment to the greater good. The stem cell revolution is not just about scientific advancements, it is about reimagining the possibilities of medicine, alleviating human suffering, and creating a healthier and more equitable future for all. It is about embracing the unknown, confronting ethical dilemmas with courage and compassion, and working together to shape a future where the transformative power of stem cells is harnessed for the benefit of all humankind. The journey ahead will be long and challenging, but the destination, a future where diseases are conquered, injuries are healed, and human potential is fully realized, is one worth striving for. Let us embrace the challenges and opportunities of the stem cell revolution with wisdom, courage, and a shared commitment to a brighter future.